Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Beauty Writer. Today I'm talking you on a journey into the adorable world of Amigurumi Toys. Amigurumi are these cute little crocheted or knitted creatures that have taken the internet by storm. They come in all shapes and sizes, from animals and food to cars and characters, and the best part, they are surprisingly easy to make. In this video I am going to show you over 70 plus different amigurumi toy ideas that you can make at home, whether you are seasoned crocheter or just starter out. There's something for everyone here. I will be sharing some of my favorite patterns as well as tips and tricks for making your amigurumi toys perfect. You will also see some adorable finished projects that will give you all the inspiration you need to get started. From cuddly cats and playful puppies to majestic lions and exotic pandas, there's an amigurumi animal out there for everyone. Get your taste buds tingling with amigurumi treats like cupcakes, pizzas, and even sushi. Race into fun with amigurumi cars, trucks, and even airplanes. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your yarn and hooks and let's get crocheting. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amigurumi fun. So my dear friend, if you like my video, please press the like button. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel video. Please share my video with your friend and your family, because everyone needs styling and cute amigurumi animals and cute toys for their kids. And thank you so much guys for your positive feedback in my previous videos. Your positive feedback encouraged me and motivated me to bring more useful and stylish videos for you guys. If you want to get these beautiful and attractive amigurumi patterns, you can easily download from my website www.crocheter.net. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like to ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you and keep watching.